Hi dear students, in this short video module, I'm going to tell you the names of 3 oversmart viruses. Oversmart because they evade the immune response by a very special soldier of our immune system, that is the TC cell or the cytotoxic T cell. Okay. Now the names of these oversmart viruses are A, B and C. A for adenovirus, B for hepatitis B virus and C for cytomegalovirus. Is there anything common amongst all these 3 viruses? Yes, all 3 are DNA viruses, remember. Okay, so why are they oversmart, by the way? They are oversmart because when they infect a particular cell and they start to multiply, ideally what should we expect? Our expectation is the proteins which are being manufactured inside the infected cell, which we call as endogenous protein. Remember, endo means inside, genus means to generate. So whatever proteins are being synthesized now by the multiplying virus inside an infected cell, one fragment of such an endogenous protein, as per rule, has to be decorated on the surface of the infected cell in the pocket of another protein called as MHC1. And then this combination of MHC1 and the endogenous protein goes towards whom? It goes towards TC cell. Okay, it actually searches amongst the plethora of TC cells which are there in our body, and that special TC cell whose T cell receptor can recognize the protein coming to it in the pocket of this MHC1 molecule. Whatever a TC cell's receptor is able to recognize this very specific protein, then that TC cell works ahead to kill this infected cell. Okay, that's our expectation. But these viruses ABC are important or oversmart in the sense that when they infect a cell, they cleverly manipulate that cell so that the cell now no longer expresses MHC1 on its surface, or there is decreased expression of MHC1 on the surface of the cell. So what will happen? When MHC1 is not being expressed on the cell surface, which in books is described as down regulation of MHC1, now the endogenous proteins of these viruses can no longer be presented to the TC cell. So that's how cleverly these viruses evade the TC cells. But then when these viruses are oversmart, we are even smarter in the sense that our immune system does some other jugaad to take care of these infected cells. And what jugaad we have? We have to our rescue the NK cells, that is the natural killer cells, which by the way kill only those cells which show a decreased surface expression or an absent expression of MHC1 molecule. Alright, remember the expression of MHC1 on our body cells is something which is very, very normal. It is indicative of normalcy. MHC1 proteins are expressed on the surface of all the nucleated cells and platelets. Alright, and if you want to learn more about MHC expression, presentation via MHC1 and MHC molecules, difference between exogenous proteins and endogenous proteins, please check out a video on my YouTube channel titled The Basis Behind mRNA Vaccines. Okay, thank you.